overcast, cool day in Phoenix. It's time to plant some trees. So let's get started. All right, we're going to try to plant the grapefruit, the lime tree, and the lemon today. Some good dirt, some manure. It's a mixture of horse manure, steer manure, and some composted wood chips. That is soaking. That's going to be our grapefruit tree hole. And I'm over here digging the lime hole right now. Let's see if I can get this done before baby farmer wakes up. My mom used to say, whoever doesn't work doesn't get to eat. So we're putting in the work. Hopefully we'll get a delicious fruit tree. So thanks to all of you for supporting our channel, for sponsoring a tree.
Okay, so here we have a Beers lime. This is going to make some great drinks, limeade, etc., other good things. This one's for you, David. All right, let's go. Tree number 3 for David. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, this one's for you, Mike. Oro Blanco grapefruit.
I'm excited about our grapefruit. This is supposed to be one of the best grapefruits out there. This Oro Blanco, big juicy fruit. Tree number 4, going in the ground. Thank you, Natalie. Here's our beautiful Meyer lemon tree. I planted it and now we're gonna enjoy amazing lemons thanks to you. You're welcome to come anytime and pick your lemons. Had a little disaster here. I had trouble getting it planted by myself. I cut the sides off first instead of the bottom of the bucket. The thing fell in. So Mr. Farmer helped me. Do you know what it is?
It's not for the alligators.
It's for alligators?
Yeah.
And then we mix the alligators up?
No.
You dump them down the hill.
What's that? And get them.
This looks like a very expensive alligator mixer.
These handles.
This is a cheap one.
And these handles and the handle and these handles.
That's perfect for alligators.
This one's for Daddy and this one's for me.
Are you going to... You're going to work together? Yes. I'm afraid I'm going to be pulled into this project. This looks like a concrete mixing project.
Yeah, back and look. Then I'm gonna get the next one. The next one made the dough.
Are you helping?
Yeah. And you happy too.
I would like to be watching.
Nope. You put help Daddy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, put to help him. I think, cause look, just look at that. We done. Oh,
You have all the screws? And you're gonna hand them to Daddy as he's ready for them?
you want one?
Maybe one. Sure.
I think one.
Wow, it's getting so big every time I see it. You take it a big hole. We're pulling weeds. They're taller than us. We're getting it done. This is what we finished already. I have my little helper, Mini Farmer. And Baby Farmer. He's so happy. Here's some of the mountain of weeds that we've got pulled. The sun is shining again. Mr. Farmer's happy. He's closing in all his ditches. Still a little bit muddy, but we want our driveway back, so we're doing the best we can. And Baby Farmer is so happy. Do you like watching Daddy Farmer? Yeah, is it fun? You'll be on that thing in no time, won't you? Do you want to drive a tractor? And wear overalls? Yeah. You say bye-bye to all the people. Saving Miller out.